Good morning. So this building right here, I don't know if you can hear it, but there are animal sounds coming out of it. I'm trying to be a little quiet so you can hear it. I don't know if you can. It's early in the morning. Now I hear monkey sounds and bird sounds. I ain't heard no lions or tigers or bears. But I'm really kind of unsure why there are animal sounds coming out this building. Now I don't know if where you know a place or have heard of a place where the animal sounds. Now it stopped. So it must be on some kind of loop or some kind of tape. Maybe it'll start up again before I shut this video down. I don't know if it's to keep people calm or to put people in a relaxed state. I just thought that was interesting. If you know of a building that does that where you live, let me know. Because I don't know why. Like I say, maybe it's to help relax people. Sounds of the jungle, sounds of animals, birds, exotic animals. I don't know. Just thought that was interesting. Have a nice day. It's starting again.